Okay, guys, I'm just about to enter a trade on the 1 hour of the Euro US dollar. All the conditions for entering the trade have been met, as all of my indicators are in alignment. I'm going to enter a buy trade, so let's do that. There we go. I've set my take profit target up here, and my stop loss is down here. And now we're going to wait to see how this trade plays out, so I'll come back to this shortly. And I'm back just to check on progress, and I see price is moving nicely upward, and all the signals are still in alignment, so I'll be back to check on it again. Okay, so we can see that the price came down, but is now heading back up again, and all our indicators are still showing upward momentum, still aiming for this point here, the take profit target. So we'll come back and have a look at this again. And we've just seen the trade close out. Our take profit target was hit. We entered the trade here, and we exited the trade there. And we can see here that that was a $3,050 nice easy trade. Thanks for watching.